Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change app icons on iPhone iOS 26. So actually there are two ways of how you can change the app icons on iOS 26, and the first way is you need to simply hold for a while on the home screen and click on the edit in the top left corner, and now go to the customize, and here you can customize the icons as you want. You can make them dark, clear, tinted, or choose the color of the icons that you want them to be. I'll go with the dark one. The second way of how you can change the app icons is to simply go and find shortcuts application on your device. Here in the shortcuts library, you need to click on the plus sign in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. In the search actions bar, you need to search for the action called open app and click on it. Now, as we created the open app action, we need to click on the app here and choose the app that we want to change the icon for. So for example, I want to change the icon for App Store, and as we created this new shortcut, we need to go back, and as you can see, this shortcut appeared right here. Now if we click on the three dots next to this shortcut, we will see this interface once again, and if we click on this little arrow in the top side of the screen, we can just click on the add to home screen, and now we can choose the icon for this shortcut that opens App Store. So you can go with the symbol one, change the color or change the symbol, or you can go with the image. You can choose photo, take photo, or choose file. I will choose just simply photo, and I will choose the photo of my cat. So simply click on the choose once again and click on the app in the top right corner. And now it is here, and you can just click on this, and the App Store will be opened by this new icon. And if you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.